What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you the wire trick to create a slight gap on quarter windows that have a seal. I will link the exact wire I am using in the description below, so make sure to check that out. First thing you want to do is measure how long you need the wire. I usually cut it 1/8 inch shorter from the top and bottom. After you cut it, double check on the glass to make sure you got the right size. I am using my easy reach to tuck in the wire. As you can see, I cut one of the corners off to make it easier to push in the wire. When tucking the wire, I use my fingers to get it into place. Then I use my easy reach starting at the top and I push the wire behind the seal. You want the wire to be about 1/8 inch past the frame. This will open up that seal. It will make it easier to clean and install the film. And I know some of you guys are wondering, what do I do with the wire after install? Nothing, just leave it. That wire will live there the rest of its life. It does not affect the window in any way. Work your way down and make sure the wire is not visible once fully installed. If you haven't already, if you could hit the like button for me and subscribe to my social media pages, I will have everything linked in the description below. And if you have made it this far into the course, thank you for your support. I wish you the best on your window tint journey. It's not easy, but it's definitely worth it. Once tucked in, use the pointy side of your easy reach to make sure the wire is inside the seal the whole way. Thanks for watching and make sure to follow the course step by step.